guys, I'm Jace. Welcome back to Farmstead Forge, and today we have two very special guests. Okay. These are my twin daughters, Reagan and Rietta. How old are you guys? 7. And you'll be 8 in December, huh? We're very big on life skills at a young age. These girls have already started their welding projects, welding lessons. But since we don't have power in the shop or the barn for the summer, we're kind of trying out some new things. So today, they want to help me forge a hoof pick so they can pick their horse's feet out. Couple big safety things, of course. What did we do this morning to get ready for this?
We have to wear something that won't catch on fire.
Yep, and long sleeve. And we got to wear some pants, probably. And what do we have to do with our hair?
Pull it out.
Pull it up. Yeah. All right. So then the next thing, what do we got to do for our ears?
Put earplugs in.
Yep, earplugs or earmuffs. And what about our face, Rita?
And we need to cover. Oh, and see.
Safety glasses. Yep. And I'm also using a set of box jaw tongs just to really help hold the steel, and I will be holding the steel so the doesn't bounce up and get anybody burned, because this hot steel is really hot, huh? You guys have been in the shop a lot when I forge, huh? Yeah. All right, so let's get geared up. I have a little double lot horseshoe, a brand new one, just so we don't have old stuff in the fullering line that's gonna pop and just saves a lot of work on cleaning. It's a double lot, so we're gonna cut it just a little bit long so we got some extra length, and then I will kind of straighten it out so it's ready to go. Striker, and I'm going to hit it, and then you're going to hit it where I hit it, okay? I put a red mark on the side of the hammer that I want you to hit it with, okay? I'm going to put a red X on this side. Don't hit it with that side, okay? Alright. Okay. Just like hammering in a nail. You guys have hammered in lots of nails. Yep, so take your right hand and put it first, and I want you to hold kind of toward the back of the hammer handle so the hot steel doesn't hit your hands. And I want you to hit like that. So your right hand first, and then this one like that. Stand in line, so you're hitting it like that, okay? Alright, now why don't you put your gloves on? Alright, get your right hand where you want it. Okay. Brush it off so you don't have this hitting you, okay? Very important that this doesn't flake up and hit you. Alright, you ready? Get right in the circle. In the circle. Right in the circle. There you go. Keep hitting right in the circle. Hit your metal. Hit your hot metal right in the circle. There you go. See, it's starting to get a taper. Now we're going to flatten it back out. Good job. Woo! Okay, I'm going to flip it over. Alright, we're going to throw it back in. It's going to be Etta's turn, okay? Okay. You can hit it, huh? There's a lot of be up a little higher, you'll be able to hit it a little better. Good job. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. That girl can hit. Does that help having it higher, Ray Ray? Okay, don't hit toward the edge of my anvil. I want you to hit right in the center. There you go. Alright. Hold on. You gotta flip it over. See how much you moved? See that big ridge? It's time to flatten it out. Starts cooling off, huh? It gets harder, it doesn't move as much. Good job. Look at that steel moving. You see it moving? You're growing it, you're drawing it out. Alright, we gotta tip it over. You move so much. See that big ridge? We gotta flatten that out. There's a lot of heats that we didn't film, or a few, just because it takes forever. This is the first time they've asked for my help, so we're gonna do it like a striker. Okay, Ray Ray, get up there like you're gonna hit it, and then I'll hit it where I want you to hit, okay? I go boom, and then you hit, and then boom, and then you hit. See, teamwork works good, huh? We got a nice, starting to draw it out real nice, huh? High five. See, when you get bigger, Daddy's gonna ask for your help all the time. Boom, you go. Boom, boom. Oh, don't hit my anvil. Get out here, okay? Boom. There. Boom. Boom. Okay, watch where I'm hitting, okay? I want you to hit toward the end there. Oop, mister. There you go. Okay. Flatten it out. It's a little easier when it's smaller, huh? Smaller it gets, easier it gets. Let me help you one time? Okay. Remember, hit right where I hit. Boom. Woohoo! When you're hammering, honey, don't be looking over too close so your hammer doesn't bounce up and hit you in the face, okay? Boom. Remember, hammer straight in line with your body, okay? Stand straight. There you go. Hold your hammer out here. Booyah. There you go. Remember, guys, if you are teaching your kids to forge, make sure and brush it off really good so that slag doesn't bounce up and hit them. If it hits you and you're an adult and it burns you, whoop-de-doo, it's your choice. But always brush it off clean. And if you don't have one of these Butcher Boss brushes, make sure and get one. I'll throw a link to them down in the description. You ready? Bam. Oh, you want to do it by yourself? Oh, okay. Okay, be careful. Remember, there you go. This is called hemming your edge, okay? So we're gonna take it at an angle, and we're gonna just tappy like this. Just tap it right on top of the horn, and it's gonna take that sharp edge off. And then we're gonna go tappy, and it's gonna take that sharp edge off, okay? A little bit harder. Not clear out here, you'll bend it. You gotta stay right in the center of your horn. You focus on this, right in the center of the horn. Daddy moves the piece, and you don't move your hammer. Right there. There you go. Hit straight in line with this on this corner, okay? There you go. I'm gonna move it. Don't move your hammer. You just hit right in the center of the anvil. Right there. There you go. A little bit harder. You can hit a little harder. There you go. Perfect. You don't want to hit right on your horn because that will flatten it, okay? To bend it, you want to hit just on the outside, okay? So you're going to stand back here and hit it, and as you hit it, it's just going to fold it down. Get it a little bit closer, right about there. A little harder. A little harder. A little harder. There you go. A little harder. Keep going. Hit her harder. A little bit more. Okay, come in here, flatten it out through there, okay? A little bit more right through in here. That looks pretty good. Okay. Ready? There you go. A little bit more. Keep going. Okay, a little bit more. Tip that end down a little bit. Alright. Okay, hold on. It's still hot. Alright, we gotta make sure that's gonna work. That's a pretty good angle. Okay. Should we put our little Reagan and Rieta mark on it? Yeah? Okay, let's heat it back up and we'll stamp it, okay? Okay. Nice direct hit, Rieta. Alright, pretty good direct hit. Okay, R and R. You're gonna rub the beeswax on it. Okay, you do this in. Okay, it was a little hot. You see it kind of burned? That's okay.
We made a hook pick.
You made a hook
Hook
pick.
pick.
Together, as a
That
team.
is called a hook pick.
And we're just gonna rub this off a little bit, the excess off. I'm gonna lay it right here to cool off. Well, you guys go catch your horse.
doesn't need hook picked. Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Was it worth all that work?
I don't know.
You're silly. Nice job. Was that worth it?
Yeah.
Is it worth the hard work?
Yeah.
Good job. You guys did great. Love it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of forging with kids. As you can see, forging can be perfectly safe with kids as long as you take some safety measures, wear the appropriate gear, and good instruction, of course. My anvil did take a little bit of a bullet, but I will get over it in good time. So just make sure and drop a comment. Let these girls know how they did. They did good for a first time, I think. Hit that like, hit subscribe, the little bell so you know when we have a new video out, so you don't miss 1 minute of the action. So what do we say, girls? Thanks for watching. Wait, on the count of, wait, Mike. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.